Welcome to Analyzing the Crypto Market, Trends and Predictions. The cryptocurrency market is a dynamic and ever-evolving space, known for its price volatility and innovation. In this guide, we'll delve into the current trends, factors influencing the market, and make informed predictions about the future. Whether you're a trader, investor, or simply curious about the crypto world, this analysis will provide valuable insights to help you navigate this exciting landscape. Chapter 1. The Current State of Cryptocurrency. 1.1 Market Capitalization. Market capitalization in the cryptocurrency space has been on a remarkable journey. From its early days when Bitcoin was the sole player, it has grown exponentially to encompass thousands of cryptocurrencies. Understanding the significance of market cap as an indicator goes beyond mere numbers. It reflects the evolving interest and trust of both retail and institutional investors in blockchain technology. As we explore historical trends in cryptocurrency market cap, we'll uncover pivotal moments like the crypto bull runs of 2017 and 2021, illustrating how market sentiment and adoption rates impact the market's valuation. We'll also consider the challenges of valuing cryptocurrencies, given their unique attributes and lack of traditional financial metrics. 1.2 Major cryptocurrencies. Major cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Ethereum, have become household names and key drivers of the market. Their dominance is not solely due to market cap, but is also attributed to their distinct features and use cases. In this chapter, we'll delve into Bitcoin's journey from its mysterious inception by Satoshi Nakamoto to its recognition as a digital store of value. We'll explore how Ethereum's introduction of smart contracts has catalyzed decentralized applications, dApps, and the growth of the decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem. Understanding these foundational cryptocurrencies not only provides insight into their evolution but also serves as a backdrop for evaluating the diverse range of blockchain projects that have followed. Chapter 2. Key Market Trends. 2.1 Decentralized Finance, DeFi. The rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, has triggered a profound transformation in traditional finance. Beyond the allure of high yields and low fees, DeFi represents a fundamental shift towards open, borderless, and permissionless financial systems. As we dive deeper into DeFi, we'll explore lending and borrowing protocols that allow users to access financial services without intermediaries. We'll also uncover the innovative world of yield farming, where participants can earn rewards by providing liquidity to decentralized exchanges and protocols. The impact of DeFi extends far beyond its financial aspects, affecting everything from governance models to cross-chain compatibility. Its influence on traditional banking and the broader financial landscape is a topic of ongoing exploration and debate. 2.2 Non-Fungible Tokens, NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have surged to prominence, captivating both creators and collectors. These unique digital assets have breathed new life into industries like art, music, gaming, and entertainment. In this chapter, we'll examine the NFT craze, tracing its origins from the early days of CryptoKitties to the explosive sales of digital artworks and virtual real estate. We'll also delve into the underlying technology that verifies ownership and provenance, challenging our traditional notions of authenticity and scarcity. NFTs represent more than just digital collectibles. They embody a paradigm shift in how we perceive and value digital content. Understanding their implications requires exploring the intersection of technology, creativity, and ownership rights. Chapter 3. Regulatory Landscape. 3.1 Government Regulations. Cryptocurrency regulations vary widely from one jurisdiction to another, creating a complex tapestry of legal and compliance challenges. This chapter delves into the global regulatory environment, examining how governments are approaching the taxation, licensing, and oversight of digital assets. We'll explore regulatory frameworks in countries like the United States, where agencies like the SEC are actively involved in shaping the crypto landscape. We'll also highlight the challenges of regulatory arbitrage and the need for harmonized, globally accepted standards. Navigating this regulatory landscape is crucial for market participants as it impacts everything from initial coin offerings, ICOs, to cryptocurrency exchanges and tax reporting obligations. 3.2 Central Bank Digital Currencies, CBDCs. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, have emerged as a response to the proliferation of cryptocurrencies and the potential disruption they pose to traditional monetary systems. While some central banks are actively exploring CBDCs, others are more cautious. In this section, we'll examine the motivations behind central banks' interest in digital currencies. We'll discuss how CBDCs differ from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, emphasizing their centralized control and potential impact on monetary policy. Understanding CBDCs is not only essential for policymakers, but also for crypto enthusiasts and investors, as these digital currencies could play a pivotal role in shaping the future of money. Chapter 4. Market Predictions. 4.1 Bitcoin's Future. Predicting the future of Bitcoin is a subject of intense speculation and debate. As we explore its potential roles as digital gold, a store of value, and a medium of exchange, we'll analyze the factors driving its price movements and adoption trends. We'll discuss scenarios ranging from Bitcoin's widespread acceptance by mainstream financial institutions to the challenges it may face from technological developments like quantum computing. Assessing the evolution of Bitcoin is not merely a financial exercise, but also a glimpse into how decentralized technologies can challenge conventional financial systems. 4.2 Altcoins and Emerging Projects. While Bitcoin continues to dominate the cryptocurrency market, altcoins and emerging projects present innovative use cases for blockchain technology. As we analyze the prospects of these diverse digital assets, we'll consider factors like utility, governance, and scalability. We'll delve into the world of altcoins, exploring the niches they fill within the crypto ecosystem. From privacy-focused coins like Monero to platforms like Cardano that aim to enhance smart contract functionality, the altcoin landscape is ripe with innovation. Furthermore, we'll examine emerging projects that showcase groundbreaking technologies such as blockchain interoperability, decentralized finance, DeFi, innovations, and novel consensus mechanisms. By understanding the potential of these projects, investors and enthusiasts can make informed decisions about diversifying their portfolios. Chapter 5. Investment and Trading Strategies. 5.1 Long-Term versus Short-Term. Crafting an effective investment strategy in the volatile cryptocurrency market requires careful consideration of your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. This chapter offers readers insights into the distinctions between long-term hodling and short-term trading. We'll explore the merits of adopting a long-term investment approach, which involves holding assets through market fluctuations with the belief in their long-term value. On the other hand, short-term trading strategies seek to profit from price swings over shorter time frames, often using technical and fundamental analysis. By weighing the risks and rewards associated with each approach, readers can align their investment strategy with their financial objectives and risk appetite. 5.2 Risk Management. Managing risk is a fundamental aspect of cryptocurrency investing and trading. This chapter provides a comprehensive guide to essential risk management techniques. We'll discuss the importance of setting stop-loss orders, which act as safeguards to limit potential losses. Additionally, we'll delve into portfolio diversification strategies to mitigate risks associated with single assets. Readers will learn how to balance risk and potential rewards effectively. Developing a robust risk management plan is critical in a market known for its price volatility. It ensures that investors are well prepared to navigate unpredictable market conditions while protecting their capital. Congratulations! You've completed Analyzing the Crypto Market, Trends and Predictions. The crypto market is a space of incredible innovation and opportunity, but it's essential to stay informed and cautious. As you navigate this dynamic landscape, keep an eye on emerging trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Remember that markets can be highly volatile, so consider your risk tolerance and investment goals carefully. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious observer, the future of cryptocurrencies promises exciting developments and opportunities. Happy investing and exploring the crypto universe.